Hi guys, so today I wanted to give you a little review of ButcherBox, which is a meat subscription service. They deliver right to your door because I've gotten a lot of questions about why I recommend it and why I use it. So first I want to talk to you about why I use it. When I was in college, I was an animal science major, and a lot of that course study has to do with farm animal production. And a lot of the farms that I saw, I was really upset with the way the animals were treated, you know, the small pens and what they were fed and everything. And it really made me feel very strongly about only buying cage-free eggs and free-range meats. And so that's always been important for me and my family. But sometimes that can be hard to find at my local grocery store. So I started using ButcherBox, and they always have naturally, humanely raised animals, grass-fed, free-range, no antibiotics, no hormones, and all of that is really important to me. And so that's why I've chosen ButcherBox, and I love their price point as well. So another question I get a lot is, how is the meat delivered? I know when I talked to my husband about trying ButcherBox, he was a little wary about how meat was going to be delivered through the mail and still be good. And so I wanted to show you how it arrives. So I just got my box in the last hour or so. It was delivered FedEx right to the front door. And it comes, when you open it, it has this box has dry ice, but on the front of the box, you'll see on this flap, it talks about food safety as far as it's a little flow chart. So it asks if your box came with dry ice. And if so, it says, you go ahead and put it in the freezer or defrost as you want to, just like regular. If it says no, it's asking you if the meat is still frozen. If it is, you can treat it just like if it was on dry ice. If not, it asks you if it's cold to the touch or below 40 degrees. And yes or no, it depends on whether you can freeze it or whether it needs to go straight into the fridge. Another thing I'm going to show you is it has packed in this insulated liner. So this surrounds the meat inside and is covered on all sides with this. And this, I do want to point out, this is recyclable. So you just take the plastic off. The inside goes with the cardboard recycling. The outside goes with the plastic recycling. Inside my box over here there's dry ice packs in there, and you don't want to touch that with your hands. There's a warning on the box for that as well. I have a little insulated bag it came with, and then my meat is in here, and everything is still completely frozen solid. And I believe it shipped overnight to me, so it's just amazing how cold the dry ice makes it. So then this is a red meat box. I don't have any chicken in here. I don't cook with chicken a ton, so I don't need to order it as much. But my husband's very much a meat and potatoes guy, so the steaks need to keep coming. So I do have Applewood smoked uncured bacon. Yum. Everybody loves bacon. Between my three boys and my husband, we go through some bacon on the weekends. And then some top sirloin steaks. You can see they're individually packaged, which I like because if you don't have to open them all if you don't want to. I have 2 1-pound packs of ground beef, 85% lean, grass-fed, raised without antibiotics or growth hormones, which is very important to me for my kids especially. I got some baby back ribs? Yep, baby back ribs, which my husband will be super excited about. I have some strip loin steaks. Yum. I'm a steak girl. I like steak. And the last thing in here is pork loin chops. So I'll pop all of this into my freezer. I'll take one thing out for tomorrow night's dinner, and I'm good for a week or so of all good natural meats. And like I said again, the price point is right. It's delivered right to the door. I don't have to drive 45 minutes to my house to go to a natural food store to try and find this kind of meat, which can be hard to find in a lot of places if you don't live next to one of those stores. And I really highly recommend trying it if those things about the natural, humane raised meat is important to you. I really recommend trying it. It's really convenient, and I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and you can click the link below to go straight there and see what the latest special for trying it out is. Bye.